Right now, I would like to show you how to edit in Final Cut Pro using keyboard shortcuts. Now, why would I use the keyboard instead of running back and forth here? Well, because like any professional program, once I know the keyboard shortcuts, I can move much faster, I can get more precise, and I don't even have to think about what I'm doing. Just like driving or knitting, my fingers will just do all the walking for me. So let me introduce you to a couple things that are really, really cool. So how about the colon and the key here to the right? Watch what happens. It literally will move right from one playhead to the next. How cool is that? Very nice. And then watch what happens when I get to the actual cut that I want by hitting bracket, left bracket, left bracket, right bracket, back and forth. How cool is that? And then watch this. Once I'm there, so I'd start my cutting here, and I hold down comma. I can hold it down. Or how about this? Holding down the shift key, and then it does it times 10. Wow, okay, really moving there, okay, so I can get through a lot. So I get that just where I want it. It's like, okay, pour a little salt. Oh, whoop, too much salt. Oh, let's take it away. Wouldn't it be cool if you could cook that way and add spices and salt to things? Uh, but editing is extremely forgiving anyway. So there's that, and let's go to what? The right bracket. Boom. And so now we'll take some things away here. Okay, oh, right there, right where he opens his big mouth. Okay, now it's closed. Okay, right, we don't want to lose him there. Okay, right center. We want to get him right center, so I can get it right to the frame. Look at that. Pow, okay. And now I'm going to go over to what? Go to the next one over here, and then hit left bracket. And then take some away. Take some away. Oh, we already blinked. Did you catch that? Let's catch him right at the blink. Boom. Look at that. I can nail it. That is one frame. Just playing in there, man. I didn't have to. And I'm already drilling down to one frame here. We just started. Okay, now I'll go to what? To the right bracket. And now I'm going to take some away here. Okay, maybe I want to get it right at the flash. Watch this. Okay, how about right where we cut? Right at that cut. That's where I want to be. I don't want that. I want that right there. Very cool. And then we'll move on to the right, I almost said bracket. Okay, and then I can go left bracket to cut some away, back to comma. And we'll catch him right where he lets go. About right where he lands. Let's catch him right there. Pow. Okay, and of course we didn't do the front end yet, so we can go to the colon. There we go. Go to that very first one. And of course, interesting to note, you can't go left bracket because there's nothing on the left side. And then we can go period to take some footage away. And let's say we want to catch, let's see, let's get a key spot. We want to see the puppy's eye right before the eye is gone. That's too far. That's, see, we can catch it right. That's 30 frames a second. We're editing 1/30th of a frame. Boom, right there. So in summary, notice that semicolon literally lets me go, move. And of course, I would do this one first. I wish they were like 1, 2, 3 right in order, but it's the middle one, then the top, and then the bottom is the order that your working order. So I can get it to the cut to the cut I want, catch the left or right side, and once I'm there, I can go to comma and period. How cool is that? Hope you got all that. And so once I get rolling, I don't even have to think about that. And I can actually focus on the story and what I feel as I'm watching it on screen. And my fingers will, so I'll just almost without thinking about it, focus on the story and do the cutting. There you go. Editing in Final Cut Pro using keyboard shortcuts.